Hi guys, something a little bit different for you today. We have a beautiful 992 GT3 in, and it's having a very special Akrapovic exhaust. .992 GT3 is an amazing car out of the box. It does actually sound pretty good, but you know, there's always something more to give, and the Akrapovic is a perfect complement for this car. So we're gonna get the car on the ramp, take the stock exhaust off, unbox this, take a quick look at it, put it on, and we'll share some sound clips with you. While we've still got the car on the lift, it's a good chance to take a look at this work of art. Akra exhausts are beautiful, they're titanium, their welds are just flawless, fits like factory, integrates with a factory valve. It's time to button this up now and see what it sounds like. So there we have it, the Akrapovic exhaust on a brand new 992 GT3. Looks good, sounds great. Do you think it sounds great? Let us know in the comments. Remember, we are an Akrapovic dealer, and it's not just for BMWs. We have one on our Yaris. We fit this one to the Porsche. So if you're interested in anything Akrapovic, please get in touch. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn your notifications on. If you want to join the conversation, please drop us a comment below and we will do our best to respond to you. And if you're running out of things to watch, why don't you watch one of these two?